friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech, and thank you for watching all my previous video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about the optional error which we get in the Samsung indoor unit. When we change the PCB of our Samsung indoor unit or outdoor unit, that time this error get occur, and it is easy to set the optional error if you see this video till the last. Let's start the video without wasting the time. As you can see, I have the Samsung indoor remote and it's on now. You can see the temperature showing and so and so. And to go to the optional error setting mode, we have to do one thing. We have to remove the battery from the back side. You can see the battery is removed now, and next step we have to put it off. Now you can see our remote is off. Then continuously you have to press temperature down and temperature up button continuously, and then you have to insert your battery inside the remote. As you can see, our optional error setting mode has been appeared. Let's close the cover. Now you have to follow the step by step, then you can easily sort out the issue of optional error setting in Samsung air conditioning. And this is for 60,000 BTU. The first step, what we have to do, we have to check all the sigmas one by one, and you have to remember all the digit what I am putting over here, because if you miss one digit, then the optional error setting will not work. First of all, when we will go here, you can see it's shown auto, it's 00 and it's on here. Then the next step, maximum, we have to use now the fan up and fan down button and mode button. Let's start now. First, press the fan up button. It's showing here 1, but we don't need the 1 here. We need the 1 here. To use for this side, we have to use the fan down button, and if we have to change any digit here, we have to use the fan up button, and to change here we have to use the fan down button. Okay, this was just to tell you to which side we have to use. Again, I will reset the remote now. You can see after removing the remote also it's showing 22. We have to make it off. It's off now. Then again you have to use the same process. You have to press temperature up and down button and insert the battery, and you can see our optional error has been appeared here. I'll cover the. Now let's start now. First of all, we have to go in auto. It's already in auto and it's on. Then we have to bring this 0 to 1, as you can press the fan button down, and here we have to bring D. Then we have to use this button as I told you previously. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 A. You have to press slowly. B, C, D. Now our auto mode has been set. It's on. Then we have to go on another mode. Press mode button. Now you can see cool. In cool, on the right side, on the left side, let it be 0. On the right side we need 6. To bring the 6, we have to use the fan up button. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you can see it has been become 6. On cool, on 06. Then again we have to press the mode. Then it has come to dry mode. For dry mode, also press fan button down, bring it up to C. You can see C now, and on the right side also we have to bring up to C. 1 2, but you have to press slowly, don't miss the number or digit. Now it's CC. Then again we have to press, now we have to change the mode. Again press the button mode. Now it has come to fan. Now in fan, again we have on the left side we need 5, on the right side we need 9. For left side we have to press the fan down button and we have to bring it here 5 3 4 5. Now it's become 5. On the right side we have to bring 9. It means we have to make it 59. Now you can see it's 59. Fan mode, it's on. Again you have to come to the next mode. Now it's on heat mode. On heat mode you have to bring the left one 7. Now it has become 7. On the right side we have to bring it A. I missed the A, that's why again we have to press continuously. 0 1 2. Again it will start from the same digit. That's why I was telling. Now A has come here. That's why I was telling we have to use this one slowly. Now again you can see it's on heat mode, 7A on. Again we have to change the mode because we have done now on off for every mode. Now we have to set for off for every mode now. Let's press the mode button and you can see it has become auto 00 off. In this also we have to do the same. On the left side we have to put 7 and on the right side we have to put A, 9 and A, and you can see in auto mode is 7A off. Then we have to press on the another mode for the cool mode and it will show off mode on that also. And you can see press here cool and you can see here off. Now here we have to put on the left side 0, on the right side we have to put A. It means the cool will become 0A in the off mode. Then again we have to push the another mode. Now you can see it's on dry mode, it's showing 00. Here we have to bring F and 7, on the left side F and on the right side 7. Let's start now. C, D, F, E, F. It has become F here. On the right side we have to bring 7. As you can see it's F7 here, and then we have to go for another mode, fan mode, and fan mode it should be both 00. We don't have to add any digit here. Then we can go for the heat mode, and heat mode you can see here now off, and we have to set now. On the left side it should be 4 and on the right side it should be 5. It means it will make 45 in the off mode of the heat mode. And the next step is that now we can check all the settings what we have set. Now you can see in auto cool we have set 1D is correct, and cool mode 06 is on, and same dry CC on, and fan 59 on, and heat 24 on. And now we have to go for off, auto 7A off, cool OA off, sorry on cool 0A off, on dry F7 off, and in the fan it should be 00, and the heat it should be 45. After setting all this, then you can press the button on here and you can see there will be a beep sound in your window. If it doesn't beep, again you have to do the same setting twice in a remote. Then you have to press the on button. That easily you can hear the sound of beep from your window and your optional setting will be done. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.